These are some of my favorite aesthetic wallpapers which are completely free to download, and all the wallpaper download links are mentioned in the video description. Here's how you can find new wallpapers using these two free apps. Go to Appstore and search Unsplash and install it. This is my favorite app for all royalty free images and wallpapers. Tap on open, click start browsing, and here you can see images curated by Unsplash on their homepage. It's like scrolling through photo gallery by photographers. On the top you can see the wallpapers header. Tap on it and it will show list of images which can be used for both desktop and iPhone wallpapers. On the top you can scroll through various category to find your desired wallpaper. You can even tap below for more precise search terms. Let's find some images in travel category. Tap to preview the image. To download, tap the down arrow button and the image will be downloaded in your Photos app. On the left you can see my favorite wallpapers downloaded from Unsplash, and all the download links are provided in the video description. If you like any image and want more variety in similar fashion, you can swipe up on the image to see similar images. To see how the image will look as your wallpaper, you can zoom with two fingers to fit the whole screen. Swipe from left to go back to the home page. For my second favorite free app, go to the App Store and type Pixels and tap open. The Pixels home feed is like a social media feed for showing photos clicked by the individuals and does not look like typical wallpaper app. Don't worry to search wallpaper, tap on the search icon below and above you will see list of categories. Scroll through it and tap to open the list. The main feature of the Pixels app which I like is that you can filter the feed. Tap on the top right and choose portrait, large size and any color of your choice for a specific theme. Tap apply filters. The feed will refresh automatically according to it. Here are some of my favorite Pixels wallpaper on the left, and all the download links are mentioned in the video description. You can also search for specific wallpaper by tapping on the top. For example, minimalism. To preview, tap on it and hit download icon where you can choose the size of the wallpaper. Tap download to save it to your Photos app. To see similar images, swipe up on the image just like on Unsplash app. To set your favorite image as your wallpaper, swipe down from the top, tap and hold and swipe right to add new wallpaper. Select photos and choose the image from the list. Pinch to zoom to fit accordingly. You can swipe right for filters. Click on add. You can use same image as your home screen wallpaper, or you can change for different home screen look. Tap on customize home screen and tap on photos to select different image. Swipe to preview filters. I like the black and white. Tap on done. You can also blur the image by tapping the blur icon. Tap on done to set the image. You can also customize the existing wallpaper by tapping on customize and select lock screen to replace it with other image like so.